New Gehan home, corner box out for the vent pipe for the range hood. Here's where it connects to the corner of the wall. Unfinished, untaped. Messes and cleaned up. Let's go around the other side and look at it. Here's the other corner. Again, not taped, just butted to the wall. Not finished. Poor quality workmanship. Unbelievable. There it is. Junk.